According to the first statement of Julius Caesar, he saw a suspicious person jumping the gate towards outside from the house of Silito Abdao and walking away from home with handbag carried. How come that he is a primary suspect of the bloody crime incident? This is what happened in Kawit Sabnok, Talisay City, Cebu on November 5, 2012 about 9 a.m. We will find that here in the UC Scene of the Crime Operative.
Excuse me, sir. Let me ask some questions. Yes, sir.
Did you see suspicious persons in the house of Mr. Adbao?
Yes, sir. I know him.
Got him, sir. We are waiting so long.
Just be patient. I wait for a little moment. I know he will arrive. He's arrived, sir. Let's go. What is this?
Sir, bloody crime incident happened in the house of Mr. Abdao.
Are you the one who committed the crime incident?
Yes, I admit. I did the crime because of too much depression. On that moment, I had a problem, and I was too much drunk on that time. When I go inside the apartment, I sat down and eventually Celito arrived. I suddenly stabbed him several times.
Who are you?
Oh.
Got him, sir.
Yes.
We got him, sir. We are waiting so long.
Just be patient. I wait for a little moment. I know he will arrive. Okay.
Abo, ang nangyari.
Mali ka mong suspect. Huwag mo yung sakay. Ipos na niyo.
We got him, sir. We got him, sir. We are waiting so long. Ano na?
1, 2, 3, go!
Ako si Marlo, simple na tao. Dalira maila-ila kung bating amigo. Dili mailhan nga usa ka rapper. Kisa among balay, usa ko ka singer. Akong mga amigo sa gara, driver. Kung waka nalipay, ako'y magpa-juker. Kung mutingog mura ko bakas, sa dihang ikay maminoy kay magkatawa. Akong lawas no sibong rebelya, o akong isurang nas Ruben Badilla. Gitawag ko sa ngalan na Malo na Balot, sa akong pangalan ayaw mo kalimot.